Hi guys! Today I am going to show you how to solve GoCodeit Unit 1, Give me a cone activity. This task is very simple, as all the code we need is given to us. We need to rearrange the code, so that it takes the radius from the user first, then the height. It should then calculate the radius squared, then calculate the volume, and finally print them out. Cut the height variable and whatever is on line 7 and paste it on line 4. Cut the print statement and paste it on the last line. Move the radius squared variable before the volume variable.